Welcome everyone. Today we'll be looking at AutoRebar. AutoRebar is AutoCAD plugin. What it does is it enhances your detailing skills and also increase your detailing speed, accuracy, and productivity. So AutoRebar is very important if you are an AutoCAD user or a detailer. Okay, so let's quickly detail this using AutoRebar. Come here, this is AutoRebar. This is our form work. So we prepared the form work already. So we want to detail reinforcement detailing. Okay, so this is my kicker level. Okay, for precision, I will just be covered there. Let's say 330, 30, 30 as my cover. Okay, so I'll come to this place, 16, come to this place, specify, I want to use 16 for this example, type in 16, so length of the bar, then the development in length, let's say 150, 150, okay, then I'll move this one in, 30, then the starter bar, come here, 16 diameter, so 300, let's say 1000. Okay, so I will detail dimension this to check my lappy length. So since I'm using diameter 16, so my lappy length should be around 800, 50 times the 50 times the bar diameter. So in this case, it's going to be 50 times 16. That gives 800. So I will increase this to 800. That is 95. So that's this my length. So here, what I will do to remove this, I'll just bring this one out, copy, bring this out. Here, what I will do, I will click on the bar. I can decide to click edit and edit, or I will just double click on the bar. Once I double click on the bar, I can come here and say and uncheck the display local dimension. I'll uncheck this. Okay, so the dimension will go because I don't want to see dimension label inside my column. The same thing with this, double click, uncheck, that's all. It will go, right? So I can bring this closer, right? But here, if I want to make it a single line or a tick instead of double inline, so I can do the same thing. I can go it that way. Here, I can change it to tick line. Okay. So this one is thin, non-tick lines. So a single thin line, right? But this is not usually too okay when you are doing this kind of detailing. Okay, so I will go back again. I can change it to tick, one single tick line, right? So that is it. So this one, I can do this as well. Instead of double, I can change this. So you see, but I don't want it this way. I want a double line. So I'll leave it as double line. So assuming here I want to change the bar diameter, I can change the bar diameter here as well. I can increase this one to 20. Okay, so that is now 20. I can increase this one to 20 as well. Just change it to 20. Okay, so that has been increased to 20, but I wouldn't want to do that. I want to still leave it at 16. So I will just undo. Okay, so this is 16 diameter. Okay. This one I can just mirror this. So rearrange this, mirror 30, right? So the third one, because this column is 400 by 200, I want to have 6 diameter 16, right? So what I'll do, I'll create the third bar. So 16. I'll leave it like this. Then this one, I'll come here. So what I want to do, I want to use a polyline to create this other bar. So what I will do, I will just type in PN, which is the shortcut of polyline. So this is where I can move it away a little bit from the center. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll come here and click polyline to rebar. So the bar diameter is 16. I'll click typing, then I'll just click on the polyline. So that is it. Okay. So I'll do the same thing and remove the dimension. Remove the dimension. Remove the dimension. So I can remove this now. Remove this. Remove this. Okay. So the next thing to do is to draw the links. Okay. So my links will be starting from here. I don't want my link inside the column, so I will say my link end here. Let's say 50 mm. So sorry, 50. So link should start from here. It should start from here. Okay, just after the kicker. Okay, so before I do that, let me draw the bar, the plan column plan section. So I can come here, select section bar. So the diameter is 16. Click OK. So I can put it here. All right. So this one, I can move it to the actual location here. 30 is 30. Okay. So I can just mirror this too. Okay. So here, what I'll do, the next thing to do now, okay, the third one. So So those are the bar. So I'll draw my stirrup, come to stirrup. The diameter, I want to use 8 diameter type. Then the cover, let me say 25 cover. Then here, specify the concrete corner. So you can see, so the curvy radius is making a clash here. Okay, but here is okay, here is okay, because of the curving radius here. So in that case, what I'll do, shift it a little. Okay, so this, I'll just bring this out. This, remove dimension and check that. Reduce this by 400. Okay, so that is it. Then this 8, I'll come here, click from here to here, which is 8. Check. So I can remove this. I can decide to just spread it. Say 150. 150. Spread it. So depending on what you want to do, this is how I want to make it. Okay, so I have done that. I have done all the reinforcement. So what I'll do now, I will do the label. Okay, the bar mark, I want to get the bar mark. Okay, here I have 3 bar, so I'll give the bar mark. So what I'll do here, I'll come here, bar mark. Okay, select the bar. So this is my first bar. I'll give this one 1. Okay, select the point. I want to make it. So I can increase it so that that's my bar number 1. Okay, so here is diameter 16, 1 number, and the length is 1,378. Okay, so I want to see what I want to do here. I'll show you. I will on this. Okay, I can't decide to just make this one a round number. I just increase it to 5. This, I'll increase it to by 2, so or 300, 10. Then this one, remove the 5 there. That's 5. So depending on what you want. Okay, notice something. If I reduce this now to 200, you see that this 1067 will change. So see 100, you can see there is a change. So I will undo. Okay, I may want to rotate this, rotate. So like this, okay. But I'm not too okay with this. So what I will do, I'll just edit the back number. Okay, I can click on edit, then select this. So it will take me to the dialog box where I can do my editing. Okay, right. Now I may have something to do here. Okay, the first is the scale. If the scale is not enough, too small or too big, I can increase the scale. So I can increase 8 to 30 here. So that will increase, but I don't want to. So I will just make it 25. So, so the scale is 25, right? This one, the number is 6. So what I'll do here, I will change this number to 6. Okay, so we now have six diameter 16. But I don't want to use diameter because when you specify diameter 16 without specifying the type of bar, somebody could use a mild steel instead of a high tensile bar. Okay, so what I will do here, I will go to edit, okay, and edit. I'll go to option, okay. In option, I'll select bar mark. Here, instead of diameter, I will put T or Y but I prefer I will use T. So that will tell the type of bar. So I now have 6016. Okay, so it's 6 number, right? And the length, this is the length. So I'll go to bar mark 2, come here, I'll select here. I don't like select this. Okay, so you can see this one is now T, right? So it's the same thing. I will come here and put the number of bar, which is 16, which is 6, is okay. So 6, and this is the bar number. Okay. So here I can just increase this one. I just change this one. Remove the 3, and this. There is something I want you to note here. Okay, so this is all about setting. If you do a sum 3,450 plus 150, the sum will be 3,600, but that is not what you have here, right? So this length is according to the BS code, okay? Now, if we want to make it a sum, we go back to setting, okay? Okay, bar mark here, I will go to, see, this is the actual rebar length, but I'll go to the sum of the rebar dimension. So I'll click on this, okay? So you can see this have changed to 3,600. It will also, can see, so it's now sum. So it's a function of what you want. If you want to follow the BS code, 8666, BS 8666. If you want to follow that, you follow that. If you want to follow the sum, so you may wish to do that. So that is it. So I will now give the third bar mark. So come here. So adjust. Okay. Now there is something I want to do. Okay. To do this here, I'll dimension. Okay. What I will do, I'll come here. I will do this. Okay. So this, what I will do here, come to this place and reduce the height. Come here, I'll reduce the, I don't want to delete it, I'll just reduce it to 0.1. So that I don't see it. Then I'll change, okay, so I'll change this to this. I will also change this one to this. So instead of linking it to this, I will not link it to this because this is the spray, this is the spacing and spreading the links. So I'll come here, come to this, click on this, say okay. So I have 21 now. Very simple, very easy, right? But I don't want to see this E. What I will do, I have to remove the, I have to uncheck the E. I don't, so what I'll do, I'll go to option, right? See this display E, I'll uncheck the E. So that have gone. Okay. If I want to uncheck the length, I can also come here and uncheck the length. So I will not be seeing the length. Okay, I can uncheck the length. So you can see I can only have this, right? It will also affect this. Okay, but I want to show the length. So come to this place and just show the length. Okay, so this is this. So the next thing to do is to what I will do. Oh, I mistakenly do this, so I'll just replace this. Sorry, I'll replace this. Replace this. Okay, so I'll do call arm and bar. Can just call arm and bar. Just call arm and bar. This. Just call arm and bar. Or better still, can just extend this to this place. Okay, this one I just make it bigger, more visibility. 2. Okay, can do this, this, and this. Okay, then here I'll just copy this, rotate it, or mirror. Yes, it should always follow the same. Yes. So, okay. So this and this. Okay. And this, the third one. So take this. Come here. Put it right here. Okay, so I'll call out. This is the bar I want to call out. So here, and double click. I don't want this. This is the only thing I want. Just put there. So this is, I want to do this because this this direction. So you get this now, the 8 at 150, right? This one, I can say display the number. So that will be displaying there, right? Then call out the second one, this, call out this. I don't need any, I'll uncheck this. It's what I want to do. It's what I want to do. Okay. This third one, this. So I can leave it like this. So depending on what you want. Okay, so because of this, I can move this one to the other side. I can move this to the other side. Yes. So it should be there. This, move it here. Okay. So this, position it properly. So we decide to leave it like this. This one, I may decided to show the number. Okay, so like this, just leave it like this. Okay, this one, uncheck, leave it like this. So depending on what you want. So I'm done with this. So the next thing to do, I want to draw the bar bending schedule. I'll just come here, click. This is the bar bending schedule of this. Okay, right? If this is too big, this is a block, you can go inside the block, double click, okay. You may wish to adjust this. You may wish to adjust this. What is the test height? The test height is 38.3. So I can scale this down. I can scale this down 0.5. Okay, but the test, I have to select everything there. Let the test go to the test height. Test height is not 19, so I'll put the 38 bar 0.3. So like this. So this I can adjust. Can adjust. So you can do it the way you want. So you can do the same thing by reducing that. So I'm okay. I can click on close block editor. That's okay. So this is done. This is the I'm done with the uh, detailing of this column, right? So assuming you want to get the total number of this column, because this is column 1, C1 to C4, so it means it's 4 number, okay? 4 number. So what you do, you just come here and put the 4 there. So you just put 4 here. So 4 times 6 can see here it is 4 number. I'll put here 4. You can see this have changed. Here I'll put here 4. I'll come here and put 4. So that is it. So this now to update, you see the number before, this is 666. To update this, mind you, this will go back to the original width. Okay, so just click on this. So have been updated. This is 84 24 24, which is the, so this is how to use AutoRebar in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Thank you.